catch it, Sekolich, and Sharma settles and takes the catch. It's a double blow to the Indians. Jasprit Bumrah into the Boxing Day test. Short cover comes in for the last ball. Oh, they like it. Full and given. What a breakthrough. Jasprit Bumrah, you are brilliant.
Can you believe it? A big slow ball, the last ball.
Oh, Jasprit Bumrah is fired up. How good?
What a delivery that is. You talk about adjusting. Well, Bumrah didn't take any time whatsoever to adjust. The first ball from changing the left and right hander, he brought that one back into Travis Head at serious pace. I think it was in the low 140s.
Gloved. Is it carried? He's claimed it, Pant. And Payne goes. And it's that man Bumrah again.
Well, we spoke about it. Another wicket just after the tea break.
It looked like side, but no. Ian Gould puts the finger up, and that's 5 for Bumrah. Oh, bowled him. He's got 6. Australia all out for 150.